An FIR was filed against a police constable named Jiten Ochai under the jurisdiction of Vilonia police station for molesting a married woman. Jiten Ochai has also filed an FIR against the victim's father for slapping him.
A married woman was molested by a drunk police constable on the road. With that, the local people of Sharat Chandra Ochai village of Bilonia were frustrated. On Thursday, a police constable named Jiten Ochai has molested a married woman, saying that he loves her and wanted to spend night with her on the way while she was returning after her daughter's tuition. After the incident, she called and informed her father. Later, her father arrived at the incident place and slapped the constable. However, Jiten Ochai has filed an FIR against the victim's father for slapping him at the Bilonia police station. Later on Thursday, an FIR was filed against a police constable named Jiten Ochai under the jurisdiction of Bilonia police station for molesting her.
বাড়ি কি হয়েছে ঘটনা?
আবুরে নিয়ে আমি টিউশনে শেষ করে আবুরে নিয়ে যাইতে সময় রাস্তাতে বিকেল উচায় মদ খাইয়া আমার বিভিন্ন রকমের প্রস্তাব খাইছে। তো আমি বাধা করছে, তাই আমার শরীরে বিভিন্ন রকমের কাজ করছে। তো এই সময় আমি বাবুরে ফোন করছে, বাবু যাইয়া তারে দুই থাপড় মারছে। তাই ও কেস করছে, যে আমিও আইসি তার নামে কেস করতাম।
এর বাড়ি কোন জায়গাতে গীতেন উচার?
এর বাড়ি ও শরৎচন্দ্রপাড়া।
কি করে সে?
পুলিশ চাকরি করে।
The police is now investigating on the case after the FIR was filed from both sides. However, as per the report, the police has not yet arrested the police constable Jiten Ochai as of now. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.